ball is horizontally projected with a speed v from top of an inclined plane. Let's say this is the inclined plane. An inclined plane is at angle 45 degrees, so it's the angle of inclination which is given. अब यहाँ से हमें कोर कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है. दे हैव सेड कि इट हैज़ बीन थ्रोन हॉरिजॉन्टली, तो ये एंगल, वैसे मैं इस एंगल को हमेशा थीटा कहता हूँ या थीटा नॉट कहता हूँ, इस एंगल को अल्फ़ा कहते हैं. ठीक है. अब कोर कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा है कि दिस विल गो लाइक दिस एंड फॉल समवेयर हियर, एंड दैट इज़ द डिस्टेंस they are asking in this question. How far? Now the formula for range, I hope you understand in concepts, is given by this formula: u square by g cos square theta naught under bracket sine 2 alpha minus theta naught plus sine theta naught. Now you see, it is important to understand, if this angle is 45 degree, this alpha will also be 45 degree, as they are alternate angles. Because उन्होंने बोला है थ्रो हुआ है हॉरिजॉन्टली, है ना, तो हॉरिजॉन्टली का मतलब है कि वहाँ पे वो जो एंगल इंक्लाइन के साथ बनाएगा दैट विल बी 45. सो बोथ अल्फा एंड थीटा नॉट आर 45 and 45. Let's just put the values in this equation, we will get the answer. They have not v, so v square initial velocity is given by v. This will be g cos square 45 degree. This will be sine of 2 times 45 minus 45, so that will just be 45. Sine 90 minus 45, है ना, और यहाँ पे भी sine 45 degree, because as I said both alpha and theta naught are 45. Now we have a clear answer. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and this is also 1 by root 2. That is going to be 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that means only root 2. So it will come out to be root 2 v square by g. Cos square 45 will be 1 by 2. So I'll just leave g here. Or cos square 45 is 1 by 2, so that 2 will come here on the top. So this will be the range of this projectile. This is how far it will fall. And so the answer is, इस question में देख के लग रहा है option number D is the answer. This is how far it will fall.